What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. So, as many of you know, I am fairly active on Steemit, and recently I actually made my highest paid post on there, and I made $11.32 for a single post. This post was technically through DTube, which is based on the Steam platform, but it's all, I guess, together, if you want to put it that way. They're all connected. It's all connected to to the same account. So even if I post an article on Steemit or I upload it through DTube, it's all going to the same place. And $11.32 so far has been my highest payout, I guess, if you want to call it that. And I just want to say that even though I have not made a ton of money with Steemit, I'm really happy about it, because you have to think about it like this. I don't have to do anything special over there, right? So I'm doing YouTube basically part-time at this point. It's a part-time job, it's a part-time gig, and it's a hobby at most of all. It's something I enjoy doing. I enjoy doing YouTube. And what I do is I just re-upload the content over on Steemit. It's called diversifying your content. You have your content in multiple places, and it's not even really about the revenue. It's more so about just name recognition and putting the content out there. But I do so. And I think I put like $70 into Steemit, and I think I've already made my money back with that, because there have been a few times people have upvoted my posts and it's made a decent amount of money. Now, does this happen often? No, most of the time, as you can see, my posts only make a couple pennies on the dollar, right? But it doesn't cost anything to do, right? All I'm doing is re-uploading my content over there. So, hell, even if I only make a few cents a post, I'm happy with that, because to me, it's about more than just that. As a YouTuber, it's about all the added benefits I'm getting from it, right? It's about the extra traffic I'm getting there. It is about the audience that I'm building there, right? So, obviously, my YouTube channel is a lot bigger. I have about over 7,000 subscribers, and you guys are all awesome. But on Steemit, I have almost 300 followers over there, and all I'm not doing any extra work, no extra work. I'm just putting out content over there that I would also have put on YouTube anyways. So Steemit, so far, I am enjoying it. I really am, guys. 1 year later, I am enjoying it. I've made all my money back and then some, and that's only counting actual money in, money out. If you count the fact that I've probably gotten traffic to my YouTube channel from it, that I've built an audience there, if you count all those things, I would say I am far, far in the green when it comes to using Steemit as a platform, and it's just another place to host your content. Overall, I've had a great experience with Steemit so far, and I look forward to the next year on Steemit. If you enjoyed this video and use Steemit, be sure to follow me over there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys next time. It's the Naughty Investor, and I hope you have a great day.